How to add admin on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add an admin on Facebook page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add an admin on your Facebook page, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Facebook, and then first of all just make sure to switch to that page on which you want to add an admin. So I'll just select this particular page here. Once you select the page and log into that page, tap the three lines option again from the top right, then tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon there. After that, go to page settings. Under page settings, just scroll down to the pages experience tab, and here you will find page access. So make sure to tap on page access, and right here you can see different sort of people with permission. So if you want to add a new admin, tap on add new option. Make sure to tap the next option and simply search for the name of the person that you want to add over here, so which could basically be anyone in this case. And once you select any of the people, you can just select them, tap on give access, allow this person to also have full control. If you want the admin, you have to make sure to enable this, give access, and then they should accept that request in order to become an admin of this page. This way you will be able to add an admin on Facebook page. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.